Naveed. Welcome to my course Programming with C++. This is lecture number 5. In this lecture, we will talk about variables in C++. What is a variable? A variable is just like a container or a box which contains some kind of data. Here is a variable which contains 55, a variable which contains image of a child or child, variable contain address, and a variable containing fruits and vegetables. Suppose you have a variable, and how can you identify that what is inside this variable or box? Till now, it is difficult for us to determine what is inside this variable or box. Therefore, we have given names to each of the variable, like age box, child box, address box, fruit box, veggie box. So, if a variable comes with the name present on it, we can easily identify that what it can contain or what kind of data it can hold. Here are some naming rules that you should follow while declaring a variable name. A variable can contain English letter from lowercase to uppercase, can contain underscore, digits. Variable cannot start with digit. For example, toVariable is an invalid variable name because it is starting with digit. Variable cannot contain special symbol. Remember, C++ is a case-sensitive programming language. Here, the name on the left side isn't same with the name on the right side. Because I have written name on the left side with n in capital format, and the name on the right side is written with n in lowercase format. Similarly, variable on the left side and variable on the right side aren't same. So this is what we mean by case-sensitive programming language. Here are some valid example of variable names like height, speed, my age, table 01 size, student, book. Remember, all these variables are following the rules as we have described in just previous slides. There are some invalid variable names, so it is interesting to discuss the reason why they are invalid. Here 1t is an invalid variable name because it is starting with digit. Similarly, speed, my ID, you and me, price are all invalid variable names because it contains special symbols. Write down a comment if you find anything difficult. I like reading comments and definitely will answer your queries. So, for your practice, write at least 5 valid and invalid variable names in C++ and also mention the reasons. Thank you. See you in the next video.